I've been using Cooktech 10 for quite some time now, and it might be an ultimate all-around power bank for all sorts of devices. The device comes in a pretty nice box, and inside it you get the power bank itself, some paperwork, and a fast charging cable that supports PD 3.1 protocol, and it can be used to charge both smartphones and laptops. The Cooktech 10 has the capacity of 10,000 mAh, and it is very compact considering its overall feature set. It's about the size of a Snickers bar, and it easily fits into the pocket for convenient traveling. First of all, it charges all devices I have very fast via the USB Type-C port. Depending on type of the device, the charging speed can go up to 120 watts from USB Type-C port. The additional USB-A port provides up to 33 watts fast charging. I tested the Cooktech 10 with my iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, and they could be charged at the maximum Apple's allowed speed of 27 watts. However, the Cooktech 10 unleashes its full potential when it charges smartphones with much faster charging speeds. I tested it with the Red Magic 9 Pro, Poco X6, X6 Pro, and quite a few other phones, and all of them reach their peak charging speed. If you have a phone like the Xiaomi 13 Pro, you can achieve a whopping charging speed of 120 watts. The Cooktech 10 works great with my laptops too, the M2 MacBook Air and the 16-inch MacBook Pro. The latter can be charged at 100 watts maximum speed, which is quite impressive. Another highlight, the self-charging capability of up to 90 watts ensures that the power bank is consistently prepared for use. Picture gaining 55% capacity in just 15 minutes, sufficient to charge your iPhone 15 completely. The vibrant TFT color screen offers complete control, providing real-time visibility into essential details like voltage, current, battery level, power output, and remaining charging or recharging time. You can also select if you want to keep the screen on or off by pressing and holding the button. I also love the design of the Cooktech 10. It sports this silver gray finish, and the build quality is very good. The device uses high-grade plastic, and I like that it doesn't attract many fingerprints. On the back of the unit, there is a grippy texture which is nice to the touch. In addition, the power bank has an airline safe tag, which can be useful in case you get questioned at airport security. It is worth noting that the manufacturer used high-quality automotive-grade battery cells that keep around 70% of battery capacity even after 1000 charging cycles. This is a huge upgrade over the more common 300 or 500 charging cycles when the battery capacity starts to degrade. Overall, Cooktech 10 is a near excellent all-around power bank, and it's been working great with my smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It offers super fast charging speeds, nice and compact design, and a display that shows all the essential information. After using the Cooktech 10 for several weeks now, I can't really name any shortcomings. Thus, I can easily recommend it as one of the best power banks for your devices. What do you think about the Cooktech 10? Would you buy this one, or would you choose another power bank? Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.